Hello everyone. Welcome to Lnkk. What if every single comment on your Instagram post could automatically turn into a DM, a lead, or a sale while you sleep? That is exactly what we are building today with Lnk's Auto DM. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working automation that replies to your comment, slides into your DM, delivers your link, grows your followers, and collects emails, all on autopilot. Let's get into it. Click on Auto Reply under Automation. This is your Auto Reply dashboard inside Lnkk. This is the place to create, manage, and track every Instagram automation you run. Up top, you will see your connected Instagram account. Not connected yet? Click on Connect Instagram, and you are authorized through Meta in seconds. Right below, you will see your plan and daily usage, so you always know where you stand. Now, let's build your first automation. Click New Automation. Lnkk gives you ready-made templates for every goal: growing followers, driving traffic, generating leads to DM, and responding to story replies. Or, if you already know what you want to do, you can start from scratch. Today we are using the crowd favorite, Auto DM link from comments. Here is the flow in 4 parts. Someone comments on your post or reel. Lnkk auto replies to that comment. Then it slides into their DM with a button. They tap it, and your link is delivered. It is simple, smooth, and feels personalized, not robotic. Click Use Template, and let's customize it. Every automation needs a starting point. We are using Instagram comments. The moment someone comments, Lnkk kicks in. Next, choose where it runs. Now we're inside the automation builder. This is where you'll customize exactly how your automation works. You can choose a specific post or a reel. This is perfect for giveaways, launches, and one-time offers. Or choose any post or reel if you want this running on everything you post. We are targeting one reel, promoting a free Instagram growth guide. Now for the keyword. Tell people in your caption, "Comment guide," and I will send it to you. Set guide as your trigger word. You can also stack multiple keywords: free, link, shop, PDF. Link, website, and PDF, whatever fits your offer. One unique keyword per campaign makes your analytics crystal clear. Step 2. Click on Next, and you'll see the option to automatically reply to the public comment. We highly recommend enabling this feature. This is your instant public confirmation, something like check your DM or sent. You can also use just sent it. Sent, check your inbox. Just sent you a DM. It's on the way. Do not rely on just one line. Add multiple variants. Lnkk rotates them automatically, so your replies never feel copy-pasted. Now for the real magic, your opening direct message. Keep it short, warm, and action-focused. Start with something like, "Hi." You can also add, "Hi, first name." Then say, "Thanks for commenting. Tap below and I will send you the free guide." That first name is auto-personalized by Lnkk, so every message feels like a real reply, not a bot. Watch the live phone preview on the right update as you type. What you see is exactly what your audience gets. Instead of making people copy and paste a link, give them one tap. Download free guide. Download my ebook. Use a clear label like free guide, get my ebook, book a call, or open course. Link it to anything: your creator store, an affiliate offer, a landing page, or even an external site. Tap Done, and it appears live in your preview. Want more followers and more conversation? Turn on Follow Gate. Before Lnkk delivers your response, it asks the follower to follow you first. If they are already following, they move straight through. If not, they get a friendly nudge. You decide the rules: strict, with no follow and no resource, or flexible, and still send it anyway. That gives you total control and built-in growth. Next, you will see a DM flow for asking for email and building a list. Click on Email Collection. Before Lnkk drops the resource, Lnkk asks for an email. If the entry is invalid, it politely asks again. There is no manual copying. Everything lands straight in your Audion Dome dashboard. This one feature alone turns casual commenters into your actual email list. Do not stick to plain text if you do not have to. Lnkk gives you 5 formats for your DM type. Text message is fast and simple. You can also use image for banners, coupons, and visuals. There is also video and card message. You can also add card message. In your card message, upload a card image. Or you can also add the URL of image, then add the title of your message. So your message look unique. Add the description you want to show to your users. And finally, add the button for where you want to send your users. Add button text and URL. Choose any message type. Whatever fits your brand, the preview updates instantly so you're never guessing. People get busy. They forget to tap the button. That's where WoW follow-up messages save the day. Set a delay, 1 hour, 6 hours, a full day. And a condition. Only if they haven't clicked, haven't replied, haven't purchased. Keep it light. Hey, just checking in. Your free guide's still waiting. Now click on Next and head to the Setting tab for the final touches. Here, you can select a message delay, like a few seconds before replying, to make it feel real. For example, we added 5 seconds. Cooldown stops the same person from triggering it over and over. You can also schedule it. Run it only during your launch window, sale, or webinar. These are small settings, but they make a big difference in how natural your automation feels. Before you go live, click on Review and Launch and double-check everything. The right post, the right keywords, working buttons, follow gate, and email collection all dialed in. Happy with your preview? Hit Launch Automation. That is it. Your automation is live and working around the clock. Back on your dashboard, track everything in real time. Total triggers, DM sent, button clicks, and your click-through rate. If clicks are low, sharpen your CTA. If clicks are high, you found a winner. Go replicate it. And that is your first Instagram Auto DM built, launched, and already working for you. Auto reply, personalized DM, follow gate, email collection, and follow-ups, all running while you sleep. Hello everyone, welcome to Lnkk. What if every single comment on your Instagram post could automatically turn into a DM, a lead, or a sale while you sleep? That is exactly what we are building today with Lnkk's Auto DM. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working automation that replies to your comment, slides into your DM, delivers your link, grows your followers, and collects emails, all on autopilot. Let's get into it. This is Lnkk. Click on Auto Reply under Automation.